do not want to die.
One struggle, one fight.
Human freedom, animal rights.
One struggle, one fight.
Human freedom, animal rights.
Hello, folks. May I please have your attention? I know that all of us really care about others. We certainly care about our families, and we care about babies.
Joshua grew inside his mother's belly for 9 months, guys, just as human infants do. And he bonded with her just as human infants do. Someone who is capable of experiencing joy and pain. Someone that matters.
Establishments like Starbucks that want us to believe that animals are ours to use and consume.
But this belief is the foundation of speciesism, the presumption that animals are inferior to humans.
Now we need to take the next step, continue to open our minds, and realize that we are all animals and we must treat each other like so.
We can wash this blood from our hands, but only if we stop exploiting others and demand justice. We will never stop fighting against speciesism. We will never stop fighting for animal liberation. We will never forget Joshua or all the billions of animals that are exploited and killed.
It's not just a tuna sandwich!
It's not a sandwich!
It's not just a turkey wrap!
It's life!